Here I am shopping for a dinner I can make for 2 adults and 3 kids ages 6 to 9 for under $20. You could make this meal for less if you have any of these ingredients in your fridge or pantry. This is a meal my kids love and regularly ask for by saying, "Can we have the pasta with the white sauce?" The recipe I found requires garlic, pasta, Italian seasoning, grated Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, butter, salt, and pepper. I added chicken sausage. The first thing I did was start boiling the water for the pasta, then peel and mince the garlic. I usually use the jar of minced garlic. However, I wanted to show how it is not that difficult to do if you have basic knife skills. Then I slice the sausage. This is where you can make them as thin or thick as you want. Halfway through slicing the sausage, I get a pan out and turn on the stove to medium heat. Brown the sausage to your liking. Even though it is fully cooked, I still cook it to the recommended package temperature. While the sausage is cooking, I prepare the remaining ingredients to be added to the pan. When the sausage is done cooking, I add a little bit of the butter and all of the minced garlic. I added more of the garlic than what the recipe calls for because we love garlic. Be careful not to burn the garlic. I only brown it for a minute or 2 until it is very fragrant. After the garlic is browned, I add the remainder of the ingredients. Be careful with the salt and pepper, and make sure to add it slowly, and do not add it all at once. I wait until it is finished, taste it, and add any if needed. At this point, I brought the Alfredo up to a boil, then turned the heat down to low and simmered it until the thickness I wanted. Once the pasta and sauce are both cooked, I pour the sauce into a bowl. With the heat still on low, I add some pasta, sauce, and sausage. Combine them, then move them to the pasta bowls. There you have it, you've made fettuccine Alfredo.